We're in the Wollongong Sidewayz Day area. It's code 2500. You're in a lot of trouble, bro. You know, we're going to get that clear coat for the fucking 33 weaponized fucking vehicle. We're in the Wollongong Sidewayz Day area, code 2500, as you know, and we're going to get this clear coat for the R33. No joke. You like blokes? I do cheap quotes. Fucking. So we gotta get this primer, we gotta get the clear coat. We've already got our base coat. Whoa, then we're gonna cut. Anyway, we just got some pot of fucking this guy. I know. Bought some fucking weed. Probably go smoke that after we get the paint.
I'm not participating in that.
Apparently this guy doesn't fucking do any of that stuff. But anyway, so yeah, it's all happening today. Sunny day, summer's back. Barefoot bowls, parties, Wiseman Park. You know what it is. Hey, Wollongong 13 Caps app is here to get you there. We're here at the Super Bleep Auto. You're gonna try and get some stuff, some materials for this weaponized vehicle. We won't steal anything this time.
Auto salon.
We just seen an auto salon and 13 Pulse. It was crazy, pearlescent purple. Anyway, we've got primer. They don't sell clear coat at Fairy Meadow, super cheap. They're useless. They haven't got anything in stock that they're meant to actually sell. They want $50 for a silicone hose joiner. Not that we actually want to buy one, that's just a price reference. $50 for a bit of silicone hose. It's a bit of a fucking joke. Anyway, we're at KFC in Australia, and this is what's on the fucking menu here.
This red and blue burgers.
Camera's about to die, but we're gonna go get this clear coat from Dapto. Super cheap.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
It's all going down. Yeah!
Yeah, boy!
In the NS stub. They give you apple juice at KFC now. Healthy. Fairy Meadow Surf, life saving.
Time to crunch this box.
Got the zinger box.
How exciting. I must say I'm excited.
I got the $8 double tender combo with mayo on the burger.
KFC
Budget saving for the cheapest on the menu. That's what you get, lad.
This cunt ended up having an apple juice with his mayo. I don't know how satisfying that is.
Apple juice is lovely. I love you, WRX girl! She looks so angry. We're en route to get the clear coats. I do not want to have my way with your goods. So we've just left Dapto Super Cheap. They've got no acrylic clear coat either. We've got them to get on the phone and call up the Super Cheaps around the Illawarra. One of them in the whole Illawarra's got a 2-litre clear coat in Shell Harbour, another 20 minutes away, which is 40 minutes away from my house. Like, bro, like, I just need 4 litres of fucking clear coat. And they want $40 for a 1-litre tin or $50 for a 2-litre tin. And like obviously it's super cheap order. They're trying to milk everyone for their last fucking penny in their wallet, so they're only stocking 1 litre tins. So you know, even though they've got 2 litre tins with a label there, they're just missing. So like you got to buy 1 litre tins so they can rip everyone off, because it's super cheap auto. That's their like all that they've got going on their mind is to rip everyone off. That's like all they care about. Super Cheap Auto is the most disgusting company in Australia's history of automotive, apart from Bursons. Because their Bursons are just fucking want to rape you up the ass. No lube, fucking, oh yeah. Like that's what, yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna fucking do the car. Like, we might go to Repco and look for some clear coat. I think I'm starting to lose my fucking Super Cheap Auto fancy. I think they can just go fuck themselves, the Gronks.
Look how that's covered. They've always come through at the end. Always try Super Cheap Auto first. Get fucked around and stooged, only for Repco to have what you need at a lower price, better service.
Yeah, that's actually what happens. And because Super Cheap Auto lies and calls our company Super Cheap Auto, you're gonna go there first because it says it in the name. Fair?
Not that we have any affiliation.
But nowadays, I feel like Repco might have actually overtaken Super Cheap, the dogs. Anyway, back to business. Let's build some fucking cars, smoke some weed. I'm excited. Gonna prep up this guard. Try and get some primer on today, hopefully. Probably won't happen. It might. Alright, so we've encountered this rust in the 33. We're gonna knock it back into place and sand it out with the fucking flappy wheel. And knock it back into place. And then weld it up a bit and put some paint on it so it doesn't rust again. We got most of it out, the surface rust. It's not even important, but I'm just an anal cunt. Want it to be all good for the future. We'll probably do this up so it's all white underneath, so like when you take off the fenders it's not red, because we're painting it white. Like, we're doing shit properly to an extent. Look at that, a little Nissan fucking branding on the car. That's so cool. I'll probably try and sell these red wheels on Facebook and see if I can get someone to buy it. Maybe they might fit a Honda Civic with this 4x4 stud pattern, you know. Like, we'll see fucking what happens. Hopefully I might get like $350 for them with these slicks. Might be able to buy some, like chucking in a couple $100, get some actual nice rims for it. Alright, so I've kind of got distracted organising my fucking toolbox because it's like fucked up. I couldn't even open the lid before, everything was just everywhere. So, I don't know. Yeah, see what I mean? It's fucked up, bro. I need to clean shit up. But I need to fix the car. I can do this at night time. Daylight's running out. Alright. I was looking for the flappy wheel doesn't do fuck all on the rust. Got the welder up. This is all sanding up. We got these dings we got to fucking bog, so it's not getting primed today. Don't know why it's not going on today. Next episode, we just get the welds on. It's getting there. Dope. It's not coming here. Looks like I've got a bit of a problem. Why didn't go through the hole? Damn. So the wire was fed through, but it seemed to have snapped apparently. Strange. Oh, the wire is fed through. The cover is back on. Let's see if it comes out. I can feel it in my hand. It's coming, it's coming. Oh no. Everything's going wrong today. Or maybe it was just about to come out. Fine. Probably just about to come out and I freaked out. Oh well. Better be safe than sorry. Now we can weld. You just melted right through it. Fine. Oh, we got it on high. Whoops. Give it some welds on here. Now we can clean the motherfuckers up. Gonna have to get the grinder on here, obviously. Not too bad.